My reason for seeking the position, first of all, it's been a lifelong dream ever since I started my practice 32 years ago to sit as surrogate of Orange County. And the reasons are twofold. First, my area of expertise. Nearly one half of my practice over the last 32 years has been involved in surrogate practice. I am not a practitioner that does wills. I am a surrogate practitioner who revolves his entire practice around that discipline and that craft. Secondly, and the overwhelming reason, is public service. And I say that in this respect, to give you a sense of where I'm coming from seeking this position. As I sit here today, I'm currently a city court judge of the city of Fort Jervis. I've been the city court judge for 12 years. Also been assigned by Judge Nicolai to preside in the cities of Middletown and Newburgh. But the surrogate court is a position that I have always sought and strived for. And the range of estate work that I've conducted over the last 32 years range from the simplest wills to the most complex trusts and estate plans. I have litigated the simple probate proceedings to complex wrongful death actions, one of which was on the front page of your newspaper some time ago. You may recall the elderly lady that was scalded to death in a county facility. I litigated that case, a very complex wrongful death action, multiple defendants, county defendants, multiple defendants that required extensive discovery issues, analysis of mechanical issues, experts, and the end result, a successful result. But the complexities of that process, I would suggest, indicate both the depth and the breadth of what I bring to the table. In terms of accountings, which are a major aspect of the surrogate. Surrogate is responsible in appropriate cases for construction of wills, approval of accountings, which by their very nature require construction. I've prepared complex accountings. I've prepared very simple accountings of $100,000 or so to very complex accountings of $3.5 million with very complex allocations among the beneficiaries. It is an area of practice that I have immersed in for the last 32 years, and it is an area that I believe is a natural evolution for my practice. One last point in terms of perspective of where I'm coming for and the commitment that I feel towards pursuing a lifetime goal. As I mentioned to you, right now I sit before you. I had a safe seat. I had to make a decision whether to run. I chose not to run for another 6-year term. That, coupled with the current practice that I have, that approximates, it's a $500,000 a year practice. This is a tremendous life change for me, but it's a matter of making a decision and stepping back and saying to yourself, how do I want to spend the last 10 years or so of my legal career? That's really the focus. I will tell you, at times, my wife has questioned my sanity, and it was a tremendous, a monumental decision for me of 32 years of taking a long-standing practice, as Judge Hunter referred to. The Cutterback Law Office celebrated its 100th anniversary in 1974. That's how long it's been around. But I've taken the practice and modernized it, and it's grown into a tremendous practice. And I feel that that this is something I want to do. I'm committed to it. I'm prepared to make the sacrifice. I'm prepared to accept what, quite frankly, is a substantial cut in remuneration when considering the two, because this is the area that I want to spend the rest of my legal career.